Hey, what's up my friend? This is Anders Larsson, and if you struggle with often having your Facebook ads disapproved, then what I'm going to share with you is going to help you solve that problem. In the Marketers Club live training in Legendary Marketer, I got some big takeaways that I'm going to share with you in this video. So, without further ado, let's take a look what you can do about this problem. Here is a scenario. You have signed into Legendary and you have decided, you know what? I'm going to promote this business. I'm going to make some money. Alright, where is my affiliate link? So let's go to the affiliate section. It is probably there. Nice, I found my affiliate link. I just have to put that affiliate link out there on the internet. And if someone clicks that link and sign up, then I'm going to earn some money. So you know what? I'm going to promote this on Facebook ads. Alright, I create my Facebook ad account, but without any training. I kind of wing it. So I create a Facebook story ad, write my story, add my affiliate link. Alright, time to publish my campaign. And I wait and wait and wait. And suddenly I see it wasn't approved. What did I do wrong? I worked so hard and they just shut down my campaign like that. I'm giving them money. Why should they? So let's try to figure this out. What's really going on? So the real reason why my campaign were shut down was because I didn't follow the compliance policy. So I will give you a vaccine again, so you know what to do about it. Now, if you follow the training that I recommend on Legendary, then you learn pretty much what to do. All there is to know about how to create a successful Facebook ad campaign. But if you're unsure of getting that training yourself, I will give you the big takeaways of what I learned. And the first thing is the stay away lingo. The art of saying it without saying it. So here is the thing. Facebook don't like advertisers producing ads that can be seen as preying on someone. Facebook is not super keen on that. So if you write your ad and it looks like that you are promising something, things like you can or you should, then that is something that you should avoid. Another thing with Facebook ads is that they don't like the make money online lingo. So words like scam, passive income, program or system is probably the reason why your campaign get disapproved. So you need to find ways to say these things without saying them. So for example, the word opportunity, instead you can say, I found a place to educate myself. Another word that you can say in another way, for example, the word side income, you can say it like a way to earn a little extra on the side. Another lingo, paycheck to paycheck, you can say it like, I'm on a shoestring budget. Alright, so what about the affiliate link? What I learned in the training was to stay away from using an affiliate link, meaning avoid linking directly to an affiliate program. And this is what I did in the scenario in the beginning of this video. But then someone mentioned in the webinar is that if you add a disclaimer showing that it is not a promise that you will earn money. However, I'm not sure about this. So this is something that you need to explore yourself. Anyway, what most online marketers do is to get their own domain and then build their own sales funnel on that domain. As I mentioned in my previous videos, I don't currently use Facebook ads, but I'm very inspired to try that now when I learn how to really do it in the webinar, because I believe that I can definitely make it work if I go that route. But currently I choose to master solo ads and I want to master it first, really giving it a decent effort until I earn a couple of $1,000s. Then I will jump to doing Facebook ads. Matt Heltzel, the guy hosting this webinar, he explained that he failed with solo ads and he doesn't recommend people to use it. However, I know there is a lot of people cheating and sending fake opt-ins, and I suspected that I've got fake traffic from my previous runs. So I found a special way to track fake opt-ins. And the nice thing is that if you detect that they are sending fake traffic, then you can just contact the seller and tell them about it. And almost in all cases, they will refund your money. Well, at least on the platform that I'm using, and that is Udemy. Anyway, this was the end of this video. You know what? If you want to get your feet wet and really learn the hard skills, then at least check out the training that I'm recommending you, which again is the Marketers Club live training. And it is very close to holding your hand, and Matt will go through Facebook ad campaigns, setting things up the right way. And I really believe that if I do this, I will figure it out. Because honestly, I went through all the recent videos which Matt recommended me not to do, but I did it anyway. But I mean, I was just so surprised how good this training is. So I really recommend that you check it out. Don't be the guy that think that you're actually gonna learn something unless you really apply it. Because applying and grinding stuff, this is how you really grow. This is how you really take one step after another. Alright, so this is the end of this video. And I really appreciate that you spend some time watching this video. So if you learned something that was helpful to you, then please click the like button, because this really helps my channel. If you thought that, you know what, this video was really awesome, then why not hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification. This way you can enjoy more of my videos that I'm going to share in the future, and you get notified when I release them as well. Don't forget to click the link in the description if you want to watch my awesome video training, as well as have the opportunity to get started with Legendary Marketer, which is the system that I use to make money. You can also sign up to Legendary Marketer newsletter to learn more about the system, and that way you can also think about if you want to join. Alright, thank you for watching, take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.